Hello everyone, my name is Cornelia Joseph. So before we discuss the process of e-invoicing, let's first understand what e-invoicing is. An e-invoice is a digital invoice that records a transaction between supplier and buyer. It contains the same information as a traditional invoices such as supplier and buyer details, item description, taxes, and the total amount. However, unlike paper or PDF invoices, e-invoices are created in a structured digital format and must be validated through the My e-invoice system before they are issued. This helps improve accuracy, transparency, and tax compliance. The second one is, how does e-invoicing work? The e-invoicing process begins when the supplier creates an e-invoice and submits it to the My Invoice portal or API for validation by IRBM. After successful validation, IRBM issues a unique identifier number and a QR code. The validated e-invoice is then shared with the buyer. If necessary, the buyer can reject the invoice or the supplier can cancel it within the allowed period. Throughout the process, both parties can access and manage their e-invoice through the My Invoice portal.
Today, I will present the reason why businesses should switch to e-invoicing. E-invoicing is a digital invoice that is issued, sent, and validated electronically by LHDN. It helps businesses manage invoices more efficiently while improving tax compliance. The first reason is to improve tax compliance. Every invoice is validated by LHDN before it is issued. This helps prevent fake invoice, tax evasion, and underreporting of income. As a result, businesses become more transparent and comply better with tax regulation. The second reason is to increase businesses' efficiency. E-invoicing automates the invoicing process so business spend less time on manual work. It reduces paperwork, saves time, and allows employees to focus on more important tasks. The third reason is to reduce businesses' costs. Since invoices are created and stored electronically, businesses no longer need to print, post, or keep paper record. This helps reduce operating and administrative costs. The fourth reason, to improve accuracy, the system automatically checks invoice information before submission. This reduces human error, avoid duplicate invoices, and ensure financial records are more accurate. Next reason is faster payment processing. Customers receive invoice immediately after they are issued, allowing them to process payment more quickly. This improves the company cash flow and help businesses manage their finances more effectively. The final reason is to support the digital economy. E-invoicing encourage businesses to use digital accounting system and modern technology. This improves productivity and help businesses remain competitive in today's digital environment. Thank you.
Good day everyone. Today I'll be sharing about e-invoicing in Malaysia, the challenges businesses face, and the solution available to ensure smooth compliance. Malaysia Inland Revenue Board (LHDN) is rolling out mandatory e-invoicing. This aims to improve tax transparency and streamline business processes. But the transition is not without challenges. Many SME lacks awareness of the requirement. Compliance is complex, involving structure, formats, and real-time reporting. Integration with existing systems can be difficult, and cybersecurity risks are a concern. On top of that, resistance to change and interoperability issues slow adoption. Thankfully, solution exists. Businesses can use government-approved software and the My Invoice portal. training programs help staff adapt. A PIS proposed standard ensures smooth integration. Strong encryption and authentication protect data, and fast adoption allow businesses to adjust gradually. The government is supporting businesses with the 6-month relaxation period, the My Invoice portal, and workshop to guide adoption. So the recommendation to all the businesses is to audit your system, train your staff, adopt PEPAL standards, use the grace period wisely, and prioritize cybersecurity system. These steps will ensure compliance and efficiency.
Now I would like to share a real example of e-invoicing implementation in Malaysia. One of the companies that has adopted e-invoicing is Petronas, as one of Malaysia's largest corporation. Petronas has implemented the e-invoicing system in accordance with the Inland Revenue Board's requirement. Under this system, suppliers and vendors are required to issue validated e-invoices through My Invoices, My Invoice platform before invoices are processed. Petronas has also integrated its procurement and financial system with the e-invoicing platform. This allows invoices to be processed more efficiently while reducing manual paperwork and human errors. Besides improving operational efficiency, e-invoicing helps Petronas maintain accurate financial record, strengthen tax compliance, and increase transparency in business transactions. This example demonstrates that e-invoicing is not merely about complying with government regulation, it also helps organizations improve productivity and support their long-term digital transformation. In conclusion, e-invoicing is more than just a new tax requirement. It is an important step towards improving businesses' efficiency, transparency, and compliance in Malaysia. Although businesses may experience some challenges during implementation, these can be overcome through proper preparation, employee training, and government support. Overall, e-invoicing benefits both businesses and the government by creating a more efficient, accurate, and digital business requirement.